morning, viewers. Today we have Mr. Shayan Mukherjee, Business Head, International Business, LiveGuard Batteries Private Limited. A warm welcome to you, Mr. Mukherjee, to our show. So, what according to you are the top 5 traits of an organization with a high growth rate? So you have worked in so many companies, so you must have noticed some common traits are there in any organization with a high growth rate.
But typically, understanding of customer needs is pivotal. Agility, delivering smart products, having a unified team, and an excellent infrastructure. All these, 5 traits, if they're there, I think there is no stopping any organization feel anything less than success.
So, Mr. Mukherjee, tell me, what is your view regarding the importance of market intelligence in developing strategies for an organization?
Market intelligence is, it's mission critical, very, very vital in developing any kind of strategy. Right from product mapping, even demand gauging at times. So, realization of customer needs, product mapping, competition analysis, to developing a complete Charlie's plan as to how the product has to be delivered, the logistical issues, considering, the entry barriers, etc. In the whole plan and whole scheme of things, market intelligence plays a very, very critical role. And I don't think there is any shortcut to it.
So share, how do you analyze them and what help do you get in your business from these reports?
Specifically for our international businesses, we have, so we take a look at what is getting sold where. And through that, we gauge the market movement, the position of, the market dominance of the exporters. We can figure out the shift in demand for different products. We sometimes also get to see new market opportunities. For example, if all data earlier had suggested that, let's say, one country doesn't have potential, and then we see that someone is actually doing some business there, it opens up a new space for us to work on. So, then we start working on exploring the opportunities there. So it's on different, I would say, facets and different dimensions, one can actually analyze and get benefited out of that data.
So what would be your message to my readers, to aspiring exporters, importers, and professionals in corporates? What would be your message, how they should grow their work, their business?
See, pre-COVID was a different era, if I call it.
Okay.
And I think after the COVID gets over, and in the process of 2020 COVID time, we have all undergone a complete change in our thought process. Most of us. This is for the betterment because it has made us think beyond what was very normal way of doing things. Whether it is going and meeting people to, for us, for international business development, to go to markets and see the market ourselves, a lot has changed. And I think one should actually look at, keep that process of looking beyond normal as a continued process. And during this time, we have also seen that India has a lot of potential to actually emerge as a larger export hub or a larger manufacturing base. Saying this, I think there are going to be numerous opportunities for even new entrepreneurs or whether it is a small or big business houses to actually look at exports in a big way. With the kind of investment that we would actually look at having in India now for development of or strengthening the Make in India thought that we have, there is going to be immense opportunity available going forward for exports to global markets. A lot of sentiments are likely to play for us, and would probably help in our growth in exports. So things are going to be definitely brighter, and we should all leverage from this opportunity.
Yeah, I think post-COVID, the world has been reset. The relationships, the dependencies, I think a lot of shift has happened in international supply chains as well. And this is a great time for Indian entrepreneurs to seize this opportunity and move forward. I think the government is also taking certain steps. Let us see how these things pan out. Definitely a turning point for India, I think. Thank you so much. And your experience, I am sure, would be very helpful to our users.